GERD or gastro. Reciprocal reflux disease occurs when stomach acid repeatedly flows back into the tube connecting esophagus and stomach in patients with GERD. Gastric acid refluxes back from the stomach into the esophagus, placing the acid pocket inside the thoracic cavity above the diaphragm. The CE of GERD in India ranges from 7.6% to 30%, with an average of 15.6%. Population suffering with GERD in India, despite proton pump inhibitor as the most trusted choice, prevalence of refractory gas, flow or reflux disease therapy has raised from 10% to 54%. Introducing sodium alginate, 250 mg sodium bicarbonate, 133.5 mg calcium carbonate, a TMG sodium alginate, as soon as it meets gastric acid and facilitates into a low-density viscous gel within seconds. Sodium bicarbonate release, CO2. This released CO2 is trapped in alginate viscous gel, leading it to float on top, forming the raft, thereby neutralizing the acid pockets and displacing the gastric acid content away from the esophagus-gastric junction. The use of Hyatt was also recommended as agile therapies when GERD symptoms were only partially responsive to PPIs, ISDE, the International Society for Disease of the Esophagus. Wowgut works by forming a mechanical barrier between gastric contents and the lower esophageal sprinkler. When exposed to gastric acid, Wowgut is found effective in controlling postprandial heartburn and regurgitation, complete resolution of heartburn for at least 7 consecutive days. By the end of treatment, rate of complete resolution of heartburn for 7 consecutive days. Up to the last day of medication, there were significantly more responders in Group A than in Group B. Wowgut comes with the benefits of action, belongs for 4 hours, rapid action. Unique RAF technology, safe in pregnancy and lactating mothers. Wowgut comes in mint flavor and advantage of sugar-free, makes it a choice, even in diabetics. So, doctor in the management of heartburn and indigestion, in the management of ape disorder, dyslexia, in the management of postprandial reflux in patient with good presenting Wowgut.